guys, welcome back to my channel all about English with Divyata. Here I bring for you the tricks to fetch full marks in poster making. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, what is a poster? A poster is a very useful means or medium to create awareness. ये एक ऐसा साधन है, एक ऐसा माध्यम है जिससे हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से किसी भी चीज़ को का अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए हम लोग प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल, cultural shows, exhibitions, then for education purposes, then promoting sales of product or services, then awareness of social issues. It can be anything in these four things. Moving ahead, now let's see the points which should be kept in mind while drafting posters, being it in exams or anywhere. Number 1, it should be eye catchy. That means कि उसको बहुत लोग पढ़ते हैं तो उसको वो पोस्टर ऐसा दूर से देखने से ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि लोग उसके तरफ अट्रैक्ट हों, उसके बारे में पढ़ना चाहें कि हाँ ये चीज़ मुझे पढ़ना चाहिए. It should have bigger bold letters so that it becomes easy to view from distance. बोल्ड लेटर्स का कलर चेंज कर देना चाहिए जो दूर से विजिबल हो. should depict everything, hence should be complete. Yes, one major point that the poster which we make should be complete. उसमें सारा डिटेल्स होना चाहिए. अगर किसी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम के बारे में है जो इन फ्यूचर होने वाला है तो उसका पूरा डिटेल्स होना चाहिए, या फिर किसी इवेंट के बारे में है तो पूरे इवेंट का डिटेल्स होना चाहिए. Use images, slogans, phrases, symbols. It will make your posters eye-catchy. How? If we use images in that, if we use slogans, phrases, symbols, it will become eye-catchy and it will be visible from a distance. Use simple language so that everyone understands it. As a poster is made for a public interest, we make it for a public view. It should be in a simple language. We can use phrases, slogans in that, in inverted commas or without inverted commas, in bold letters. But what we write in that, what it portrays, what it wants to say, that all the things should be in a simple language so that everyone understands it. Now, let's see how many types of posters do we get in exams. Number 1, for awareness of a social problem. What things should it contain? Like for awareness of a social program, like we can say कि किसी ट्रैफिक रूल से रिलेटेड या फिर अर्थक्वेक से रिलेटेड, water conservation, all these come under social problems which we need to make people aware of that. What should it contain? It should contain the details associated with it. Then what are the effects of that problem? What solution can we give to it? Any useful information attached to it so that it makes people aware that yes, this should be done for the solution, for just wiping it off. Now next, for an event. In this particular type of posters, the name should be mentioned as to what will it contain, what is the name of the event, then date, time and venue should be mentioned, where it will be done, at what time and on what date, what is the purpose of that event, for what is it being organized. Highlights should also be mentioned. It will help you fetch good marks. Highlights here means that some important points, like what are the few things which will happen in that event, like who will be the chief guest, who will be the guest of honor over there. We can mention things like that so that people just get aware that yes, we should go in this event, we'll enjoy this particular event. So the highlights should be mentioned. Let's take an example of a poster which will be based on the awareness. The question will be to draft a poster with the topic save water, save life. Okay, now what will be the format of that? Let's see that first. I have given the topic over here, save water, save life. This is my topic or heading of the poster. And remember one thing, the poster should always be in a box. when we make it in a copy of in our exams. Then I have given the details, okay, the details associated with it. I have written over here a slogan, water is the essence of life, then save the gift of nature for the future generation. I have made a visual image over here to make it eye catchy, okay, visual image. Then at last we also need to mention that by whom is it issued in awareness program and in both the event one also. Issued by National Agricultural Organization, okay. So this issued part is also necessary to be mentioned. Let's take another example of an event. Another example of an event. This is a poster which will depict an essay writing competition in a school. What have I done here? First I have mentioned the topic, essay writing. You can use symbols to make it more attractive. Hold your pen and start writing your views for an essay competition with the topic, say no to dowry. I have written this in bold letters to make it clear as to what is the topic of the essay writing competition. I have also mentioned the date, the time when it will be held, and the venue as to where it will be held. It is very important for the poster which is portraying an event to mention the date, time and venue and what will it contain all through. Then I have written here issued by, as to who has issued it. The Cultural Club St. T.S. School. Okay, it has been issued by a school for the school students of that particular school. So I have mentioned the date, time, venue and the topic. Your poster should be very much clear as to what it will contain, what it portrays. We can also make an image over here, like I have made a square. This is I have made a visual image for an essay writing. Okay, we can use different types of visuals, images to make it more attractive and eye-catchy. And always remember to use simple language, liberal language, which everyone understands clearly. Because when we make it for event or awareness, it is generally made for public interest and not for a school or something. We also make it for public interest. So remember to make it eye-catchy, clear, use simple words, and always remember to make